This video's objective is to explain the functioning of AVL Fluid System Design tool, which intends to make the user able to more easily size pipes and ducts for their projects. This tool is contained within the AVL engineering website, in the Global Facilities Tools area. The user can create new projects by filling this form out. In projects, the user can group calculations for clarity and order. The groupings criterion is up to the user, but one common use case would be grouping the calculations according to the system to which they belong. This is the calculation screen. Calculations may contain several pipes that can be managed from the topmost section. The fluid for the pipe is configured in the central section. The user can select from different preset fluids or create their own custom ones. This can be done by either manually filling the data or setting one fluid from the database to the desired conditions. The flow parameters are set in the top left section. If desired, the user may initialize the flow value according to the required power dissipation. In this section, the user defines the diameter sizing criterion as well. This can be a specific pressure drop per piping length or the maximum fluid velocity in the pipe. Materials are configured in the lower left section, both for piping and its insulation. The optimum pipe diameter according to the selected criterion is shown here. The user can override this value by using this drop-down. The rest of the values are updated according to the user's selected diameter. The lower section enables the user to add and manage local pressure drops, such as valves or fittings. Local pressure drops can be named for easier identification. Some elements may require specific parameters to be calculated. The total pressure drop in the pipe considers both the local pressure drops and the pipe friction pressure drop. Down below, there's a table summary of the calculation pipes, which can be exported in much more detail to an Excel spreadsheet. Even though the tool auto-saves progress, it is advisable to manually save from time to time. This summarizes the basic functionality of the tool. For further information, please refer to the user's manual.